In today's video, I'm going to teach you create ticket in Salesforce, how to raise a case, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a support case from the Salesforce homepage, using the built-in guidance to get it right the first time. Start on the Salesforce Lightning homepage and make sure you're signed in. If your screen looks different, that's okay. Layouts can vary slightly by organization, but the key actions are the same. From the homepage, open the Guidance Center. You'll typically find it in the top area of the interface. The Guidance Center is Salesforce's in-app help panel that walks you through common workflows. Inside the Guidance Center, choose Start Helping Customers. This launches a guided path that focuses on service tasks. From there, select Add a Customer Case. This takes you to the Cases area so you can create a new record without hunting through menus. Next, click Add a Case. This opens the new case form. Think of this form as the single source of truth for the issue you're reporting. The more precise and complete you are here, the faster your team can route and resolve it. Begin by filling in the key fields. For the contact and account, pick the person and company the issue relates to, if your setup uses those. In the subject, write a short, clear headline like billing error on renewal invoice or login failing with verification error. In the description, provide a concise but thorough explanation. Include what you were trying to do, the exact steps you took, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any error messages or codes you saw. If your page includes fields like type, priority, product, or issue category, choose the best matches. Priority should reflect urgency and impact. Use higher priority only when operations are truly blocked. If file attachments are enabled, add screenshots or logs that illustrate the problem, making sure not to include sensitive personal or security information. Before submitting, review your entries for accuracy and completeness. Clear, consistent language helps triage teams assign the case to the right queue. When everything looks good, click Save or the Submit button available in your org. After saving, you'll land on the case record. Take note of the case number, confirm the status and owner or queue, and make sure key details appear as expected. You can add comments or files later if something changes. If you don't see the Guidance Center or certain fields, your organization may use different labels or permissions, so check with your admin. That's it. You've created a Salesforce case using the guided path, ensuring all the essential details are captured for a fast resolution.